If you've ever wanted to get into data analytics or Power BI, but felt overwhelmed, this video will simplify everything for you. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to build your first Power BI dashboard from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Hi, my name is Olujuwon, and I help people transition into tech through data and digital skills. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we are going to do is to load our data into Power BI. I'll click on Get Data and select Excel and load a simple data set. Now, don't worry too much about the data itself. The goal here is to understand the process. You can either click on Transform if you want to clean the data, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to use the Load button. So once loaded, you can see your data set here on the right-hand side. Before building anything, always take a moment to understand your data. Here we have columns like sales, products, region, dates, and so on. This is important because Power BI is all about turning raw data into insights. So always ask yourself, what story is this data trying to tell? Now, let's build our first visual. I'll select the bar chart, then drag product to the axis and sales to values. And just like that, you have your first visualization. Let's add another one. All right, so I'll select the pie chart, then drag region into legend and sales again into values. Now we can clearly see how sales are distributed. This is how Power BI starts turning numbers into something meaningful. We can also add the time intelligence. Now we can also use the line chart. Now we can check the sales over time. So by clicking the line chart, it allows us to check the sales over time. And you can even drill down to know the sales done per day. And this is what makes dashboard powerful for decision making. Now, let's make this look like a proper dashboard. I'll resize the visuals, align them, and maybe even add title like Sales Overview Dashboard. Okay, so one of the most powerful things about Power BI is interactivity. When I click on the region here, you'll notice that other charts update automatically. This allows users to explore data without writing any code. And this is what makes dashboards powerful for decision making. I'll keep it clean and simple. Clarity is more important than decoration. And that's it. You have just built your first Power BI dashboard. The key thing to remember is don't try to learn everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on solving real problems with data. If you found this helpful, keep learning and keep building. Thank you for watching.